Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 12, which is given a Boolean expression, complement of P union Q intersection complement of P intersection Q. So for these types of equation we will draw a truth table, and after drawing a truth table we will draw for each element in the table. So while we go for further simplification, we can see for P the truth table says truth, truth, false, false. For Q says truth, false, truth, false. For complement of P it says false, false, true, true. For the set of P union Q it says true, true, and false. For you can say complement of P union Q, it says false, 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 and true. It's exactly the opposite as it's the complement. This sign means it's the complement opposite. For complement of P intersection Q, it says false, false, true, and false. And the whole equation says false, false, and true, true. So we're going to look for this equation similar as equation number 7. So according to the truth table, number 3 shows exactly the same as 7. So number 3 stands for complement of P. So we're going to go with answer number C. Thank you everyone.